How do you go from consistently losing trader to break-even trader and eventually becoming a profitable trader? The fix for your trading issues is sometimes surprisingly simple, and I want to discuss this topic in today's Traders Improve podcast episode. When you look at your trade results, there are only 5 possible outcomes. You can have big wins, you can have a small win, you can have a break-even trade, you can have a small loss, or you can have a big loss. And what do all struggling and losing traders have in common that you will never see with a professional trader? Consistently losing traders frequently occur big losses. And for the professional, a big loss is not even a possibility. It's almost impossible to happen for a professional trader, because you can only realize a big loss when your position sizing is too large, when you keep adding to a losing trade, or when you do not close the loss at your initial stop loss and you let the price keep running against you. And I have worked with thousands of traders over the years, and I've seen that this is true for 99% of all struggling traders. One of the things, or maybe even all 3 things, is usually happening. But I've also seen that once a trader can fix this issue and those issues, becoming a break-even trader and eventually becoming a profitable trader becomes much easier. And once a trader avoids the big losses, trading becomes much less frustrating and emotions are much easier to handle. Everything else then often falls into place. And without big losses, almost any trader can almost instantly become a break-even trader. A problem that traders have when they realize large losses is that they must also realize much larger winning trades to compensate for the big loss. And you can only realize large winners by pushing your risk management to unhealthy levels, or by swinging for the fences and trying to let your winners run much longer than you should. And what happens in such cases? The price will eventually turn against you and you are left with nothing, even though the trade could have been an easy win if you would have just taken the normal winner instead of hoping to hit a home run. For the consistently losing and the amateur trader, this is a vicious cycle, because when you have those large losses, you kind of have to swing for the fences and you have to hope that you can realize large winners, because only then do you have a slight chance of potentially making money. However, this is not how trading works, and having those large losses will destroy your trading psychology. It's very hard to deal with large losses emotionally, as you may have already experienced. And of course, swinging for the fences will also ruin your win rate, because realizing large winners is, first of all, very difficult, and you also have to push your risk management, which will then again increase the chances of realizing more large losses. So you are trapped in this vicious cycle. The professionals also eliminate the chance of experiencing big losses by having proper position sizing. You set yourself a position sizing rule of 0.5%, 1%, or maybe even 2% per trade, and then you stick to it. No loss should ever exceed this limit, and you as the trader are in total control over this part of your trading. Furthermore, professionals take the loss when their trade idea is proven wrong. When the price hits their initial stop loss, you should be out. You do not revenge trade and do not jump back into trades. And also, which I have done in the beginning of my trading a lot, you do not move the stop loss further away to delay the loss taking. A small loss often turns into a large loss in those ways. This all sounds very simple, because it is. Have a position size and do not let normal losses get out of hand. Simple, yes, but definitely not easy. And I'm willing to bet that if you are a losing trader and you take a look at your last 20 to 40 trades, you will see some big losses. And if you could have avoided the big losses, you might already have been a profitable trader, or at least a break-even trader. You can do the test right now, look at your last trades and calculate how much the big losses cost you, and then the results and the final outcome may shock you, because you could have been maybe already a profitable or at least a break-even trader. And this moment and this realization can be a huge aha moment for many traders when they realize how close they are to becoming a profitable trader.